are just going to thank me after you hear this. You do not need to follow all those diets. You do not need to follow all those heavy exercises. This is going to transform your life. This is totally gonna change your weight loss process, and you are just going to love it and love yourself after you follow this in the right way. Hey, I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shalini, and today I'll be talking about that one thing which is gonna change your life completely. Trust me, you are going to thank me after you hear this, because this is going to transform your life completely. This is going to change your weight loss process completely. You do not need to follow all those heavy exercises. You do not need to follow all those diets. You just need to follow this simple thing. This is only one thing which you need to follow, and this is going to change everything. As follow this in the right process, you are going to lose weight and nobody can stop you. And it is in just 1 week you will see difference. As I said, 5 kgs in 1 week, right? So yeah, sorry for the thumbnail, but that is not possible, obviously. Maybe you can lose up to 2 to 3 kgs. As I said in my previous videos, that do not rush. When you rush, you get that loose skin. Well, I already said that on my introduction video. Just go watch it. And so do not rush your process, your weight loss process, because that can harm yourself, harm your weight loss and your health too. So just take it slow, and this is the most effective thing. Trust me, 2 kgs in 1 week is not easy, but you are going to do it. I am telling you, I am guaranteeing you, you are going to do it if you follow this in the right way. So today I'll be telling you about calorie deficit. You might have heard about it earlier also from other YouTubers, and I also have researched earlier about calorie deficit, but implementing it into my life has been a different kind of journey. So I am going to say whatever has happened to me, whatever has I have gone through this calorie deficit, and it was really helpful. So I will be sharing those, and from my own experiences I'll be sharing that how calorie deficit is helpful for you. And I will also give you one tip which I am sure that you haven't heard anywhere. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a next video. I want you guys to see my videos first when I upload, so please do press that bell icon. It really motivates and helps me a lot and encourages me to make such videos. And yeah, if you like the video, press that thumbs up. Oh, let's talk about calorie deficit. What is calorie deficit? Calorie deficit is the amount of foods lesser than your maintenance calories. So what is the maintenance calorie? Is the calorie which you should consume during your weight loss, and maintenance calorie can be calculated with your BMI and BMR. So BMI is body mass index, that is calculated with your weight and your height. So I will also make a video how to calculate your BMI and BMR. BMR is your basal metabolic rate. So basal metabolic rate is calculated with your weight, height and age. So yeah, so now you know what is BMI and BMR, and I will make a separate video on that, how to calculate your BMI and BMR. So Once you know how to calculate your BMI and BMR, you will get a ratio. That number is the calories which you should consume. That amount of calories you should consume, and that is your maintenance calorie. So the maintenance whatever is your maintenance, suppose my maintenance calorie is 1500, that is 1500. So if my maintenance calorie is 1500, I will try to consume lesser calorie than 1500. Suppose I am consuming only 1000 calories per day, so that is where I am on calorie deficit. So if your maintenance calorie is 2000 calories per day, then you have to consume 1500 calories per day. That is when you are in a calorie deficit. So basically you are eating less than the amount of calories you should put in your body. So during this time, your body is gradually in a state where it reduces the fat. The fats automatically get reduced because you are putting the amount of calories which are less than the calories which you should consume. So that's how you lose weight. There are actually two types of calorie deficit. So now some of the people like to exercise, some of the people they do not like to exercise at all. One is the one where you reduce the input. Reduce the input means that you are eating lesser calories than the maintenance calorie, and the second one is you are increasing the output but maintaining the input. That means that you are increasing the amount of exercise which you are doing. Suppose you are brisk walking, you are running, you are doing any other kind of jumping exercise, or you are doing a HIIT workout, or you are doing any weightlifting workout, or you are doing any other CrossFit or any other kind of workout. You're just increasing that amount of workout. Suppose you are working out for 2 hours and increasing the maintaining the food which you should eat. That is, you are eating exactly the amount of food which according to your BMI and BMR is your maintenance calorie. Now I will be telling you one thing which can actually help you with understanding this calorie deficit better. So like the first one is like to reduce 1 kg of weight, you have to consume 3500 calories per week. That amounts to 500 calories per day. It is not a healthy diet. It might reduce your energy, reduce your blood pressure levels, and a lot of other things. So that's why you should not do this one. So that is the second one. Second one is the bonus one to the first one. Second one is that you can lose 2 kgs of weight in a week if you consume 7000 calories a week. That amounts to 1000 calories per day, which I already told you. 1000 calories per day. If 1000 calories is the maintenance calorie which comes out of your BMI and BMR, just reduce that one too. But I'm just telling you that this is the minimum calorie deficit which a person can follow if they are not they do not know about BMI and BMR and how to calculate those things. So yeah, 1000 calories per day is a good option, right? So you can do that. And so if you liked my video, that was it about the video, obviously. So if you like my video, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Do not smash that subscribe button because you might break your phone if you take this smashing literally. And so just just tap that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload my next video. And thank you so much for watching this video and investing your time.